and welcome to our Nomad58 review video series. This one, we're going to talk about all the stuff that's in here. Okay, so I filled this up. Ooh, there's another video I'll put over here if you want to see all the stuff that we shoved in here. I can zip it, but it feels like I am super, you can see, like super lumpy, but there's so much junk and stuff in here. So much stuff. So we're going to test it really fast with the strap because there's a carry strap. So if you got this and you're so heavy and you got luggage and you got to carry stuff around, what do you do? Okay, so we're going to take this off. Oh, actually, I want to see how heavy it is too. Let's do a test and see how heavy it is. Okay, so they have these little clip things there. I haven't taken the tag off yet because I wanted to show you guys. And they have this strap. So the strap has these really great little D-rings on it. You can see them. I'm going to do it over here because it's got to sit on my bed because it's too heavy to just hold it up now. It got so much stuff in it. Okay, let's see. I think that's the best spot to put it in. Okay. And there's two rings on the inner sides. You can use 2-point attachment in there when it's all full of stuff. Clip, clip. Okay, so it's clipped there, it's clipped there. It does seem like a whole lot of strain on that part where it's attached, but if I had to, I could sling that on my back and I could carry it to wherever, if I'm hiking and I have, keep moving, and it has this like, where's the strap? The other way. Pull it so I can pull this and zip tie it, kind of like you do on a backpack to make it tighter. Come on, there we go. I'm doing it from the wrong angle. So you can cinch it up and make it tighter. So this would allow your whole bag to go with you and sling over your shoulder while you're hiking or you're walking or you're whatever you're doing, to be able to go with you. So you can have your hands for kids or for luggage or for hiking or holding rocks or whatever you got to do. That's a really cool feature. I really like that. Okay, now for funsies, let's weigh this thing and see how much it weighs full. And then we're going to take everything out of it, see how much it weighs empty, and then I'll put back in just what I would actually carry, not trying to like maximize every single pocket in here. Okay. I've got this like luggage carrier thing. So we push on that and it says 0. Okay. And then we can take this little thing. And in here I have like so much stuff. You could put your laptops and your phones and all your devices and everything. I'm going to string this around. I can make it go all the way around. And pick a different skinny spot. Okay, there we go. Who wants to take a guess? Put it in the comments. What do you think? How much do you think this thing weighs? Especially if you watch the other video with everything we put into it. Okay, holding it up. That's impressive. Holy cow. Okay, here's all the stuff. The little giant bag. And this is what we got. 11.88 pounds of a jacket. Like, that's a heavy jacket. You're going to get a workout if you're hiking with all that stuff in your jacket. But you wouldn't have to carry a backpack, so maybe it's a toss-up for you. Oh, and sorry about the way the videos changed. My phone ran out of space, and so I had to switch to my laptop. Okay, let's come down to the floor. Come down to the floor with me, and we're going to see all the stuff that's in this bag, or this jacket. I'm going to need to drink that water bottle after I have this thing. Okay. Here we go. Going down. Okay, so within our jacket, let's see what we got. Okay, so let's start on the right-hand side. On the right-hand side, we had AirPods, massage ball, remarkable too. Make sure they're all empty as I go, or I'm not going to find my stuff later. Get so much stuff in here. Okay. We got a wallet. I think that's all on the inner pockets. Verify. We can clip our string here. Carry strap has been released. There we go. Okay, so that's all that's in the bottom part. And then right here, we got that one. to the front half. In this pocket, we have garbage bag, soap sheets, first aid kit, lotion, extra lotion, just so we could see how much we could fit inside. We have our supplements and our doTERRA MetaPower. Awesome for metabolic health, by the way. We have our little toothbrush, portable disposable toothbrush. Zip that one up. Then down here, we've got, oh, actually I didn't put anything in that one. That's hilarious. I did the whole thing and didn't put anything in that pocket. That's great. Okay, so this little side zip, it's a pass through, so you can go through the bottom or through the zip on the side. So this is my portable power charger, and I can drop it in there, and then I can unzip and pull it out the side if I want to get it that way. I love this one too. Look, it clips right in there, and it creates like a little hook. So you can hook it like that, and then it has your USB-C right there, and then you can hook in USB or USB-C there. I'll find a link and send it to you guys if you want it. Okay, zip, zip, zip. And that one was empty. And oh, and there's like a hidden zipper inside that one. I didn't put anything in there either. Oh, this is the side one. This is the one I forgot to show you in the other video. So on this side seam, there's like an invisible zipper right, maybe the light will hit it right there. Do you see it right there? You can unzip this one. And this, where does that go? Oh, what? That's huge. Okay, so this is like an 8 by 12 inch spot, like right at your lumbar part. So you could hide easily something back there you didn't want somebody to know was in your jacket. Not that there wasn't enough pockets. You could already hide something in that you didn't want people to know was in your jacket because you have so much stuff. Okay, I think I got everything out of this side, except in the sleeve pocket, we have my AirPods. Okay, now I think we've gotten everything out of the right side of the jacket. Okay, so we're gonna go to the back center of the jacket. We have portable keyboard. So all these really big chunky techie things, like they're a little more less comfortable to wear all the time. Got a notebook and a pen, when I take notes. Portable foot hammock for your airline travels if you want your feet up. Portable neck pillow. Portable eye mask. Travel umbrella. Small mini bag, like a pop-up grocery sack if you need to carry something. And a pen. Another pen, because I had one a minute ago. Inside this pocket, we have a Kindle. And then there's this little side pocket. And in there, I have my throat drops. We talked about this before. This one's immunity, and it will help boost your immune system and keep you healthy when you're in the public and all the airports and stuff. This one helps with nausea and motion sick and digestive discomfort. And this one helps with respiratory to help you breathe, open your airways. And they all taste like really delicious throat drops as well. They're amazing. They're made by doTERRA. I'll give you that link too. Okay, these snacks. These are just nuts and granola bars. A couple snacks in there. Another side zipper. Passport. Gotta have your passport. Okay. Zip, zip. I think I got everything from the inside to the front of the left side. And in the last video, I kept saying right was left and left was right. It was very confusing. Okay, this pocket, this will have my phone. Right now, I just put my wireless headphone case because my phone was recording me, but it's not anymore. So I technically can use it in this one. So it's not recording on it anymore. Okay, and then the zipper pocket here. Nope, I didn't put anything in that one or in that one. We have all these extra pockets I didn't even use with all that 12 pounds of stuff. Okay, and then my water bottle in the back side, and in this sleeve we have, I think, headphones. Yep, wired headphones for your airport. And then there's a chest pocket up here. In this pocket I have my deep blue packets. These help with muscle relief when traveling. I've got my essential oils. Melaleuca and lavender combo helps with any kind of scrape or abrasion or skin discomfort. Adaptiv is for emotional everything when traveling and feeling frantic. OnGuard sanitizing spray. Sanitizer, obviously. And then Frankincense is cognitive and mental awareness. And then you have your earplugs if you don't want to listen to anything, but you just want earplugs. Okay, and I think, let me verify. I don't think there's anything here that I missed that I didn't get out of all these pockets. You definitely, before you wash it, you would have to check all, oh, I felt something. What did I feel? Oh, that's just the inner pocket. Okay, so now we have our jacket. Ooh. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like on, because it's way cuter on when it doesn't have 12 pounds of stuff inside of it. Okay, I'm gonna move my computer. We're gonna come back up to the table. Oh, come with me, please. Come with me. Okay, here's the jacket. Way cuter just as a jacket. There you go. And you can super zip it up. There you go. All set, ready to go. Very cute jacket. I like the functionality of it. So let's say okay, we're gonna weigh it. Yeah, let's weigh it. We did the undo. This is gonna be the weigh video, and then I'll do one more, and we're gonna put in the stuff and how I would use it on an everyday basis versus what is the max capacity of this thing. Because I'm probably not gonna use it for the max capacity like ever. And you probably won't either. Okay, here is our jacket. Oh, let me show you what the string looks like too. If I clip the string on like this, when it's not all full of stuff, it looks like way better. It's not, you don't look like a giant person carrying a load of bricks on you, which is good. Okay. I am so impressed with this company though. Their attention to detail is amazing. They think, what is the problem that people have? And what would they need? And then they make a solution for it. So they have all the pockets, not because every person needs all of the pockets all of the time, but because depending on what you're using it for, you might use a different pocket. If I'm hiking, I would use one kind of a setup. If I was going on an airplane, I'd use something else. If I'm a business traveler walking around Europe, I might need something else. So it's cool that it's flexible, has all the pockets for all the different times. So see how much easier that is? You just slip it around your back and you can go hiking, you can go walk all around, sightseeing, whatever you're doing. Okay. So there we go. We'll grab our handy dandy weighing item. There we go. Oh, my phone is going crazy. Got a 0 on there. Okay, so let's hook this. We'll probably go all the way around the coat now that there's not like all the stuff in it. Oh yeah, easy peasy to go around it that time. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, there you go. Want to guess? Put your comment in the guess. What do you think it is? Pause the video, put your comment, and then come back and see if you're right. How much does this coat weigh with 28 pockets and all these features when all the stuff is not in it? Oh, and I should show you. Before I show you how much it weighs, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of all the stuff we took out of it, because you didn't see my pile on the floor as it was throwing. Okay. See that? That's all the stuff that we had inside that coat. That's all the stuff that I pulled out. Okay, and it was 12.88 pounds, I believe, before. Okay, ready? Here's the grand reveal. The coat by itself is 2.86 pounds, if I'm reading that right. Yes, 2.86 pounds. So 10 pounds, I fit 10 pounds of stuff in that jacket. And that was kind of amazing and insane that that's possible. So good going, Ma, M-O-W, Ma, is it Mao? Minimal Organized Wear. They're the company who makes this. It's amazing. I'll look for a link. I'll put it in the comments so you guys can see it, because I'm impressed in all the ways. Oh, and I was trying to show you in the other video about the stripes. So this one here has a reflective stripe, and then on the sleeve to help you so you can be seen if you're out at night. There's this little clippy thing here. I'm not sure what that one's for. Maybe just to hook it like on a hook at your house, like you could hang it up there. But then there's this one too. I don't know. If you guys know what this one's for, let me know. Or if manufacturer, if you see this, let me know what this little loop is for. I'm not sure on that one. I'm just kind of guessing as I go. How would I use this as an everyday person who bought a really cool travel jacket? Okay. So that's all for this one. I'll be back with the next one, and we will put in just what I would use on the everyday so you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like.